Yes, you have been journaling the wrong way. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to journal your day trades so good. And the best part is it never gonna cost you $1. So if you're just like me who don't wanna spend any money on journaling software and wanna trade and journal, so this video is for you. So let's just get started. So before we actually start the tutorial, I'm going to tell you that we're going to use a website called Notion, which is completely free, and this is how it's going to look like. That's how you gonna journal your trades. Write the sessions over here, the date and the screenshot, and post trade reflection, daily review, profit and loss, discipline and execution, the scoreboard, and just like this. And the best part is you can have your calendar too right here. So let's just start the tutorial. So I'm gonna be using this account. You can use any other browser you can want. Simply write Notion, and here we go. Right, click sign up over here. You can, this is the easy way for most of the guys. So yeah, let's just sign up with the Google. So after your sign up, it's gonna look like something like this. So I'm gonna put my name, of course, yeah, like this, and set your password. All right, for personal life, you can say that because you are a trader, you don't do any other work, you don't do job, you don't go to school, hopefully. But if you go to school, just for personal life, continue on my own. All right. So now you can do skip it for now. Wait for you. So this is how you actually gonna look, right? So you can just delete it. Like you can delete this, delete this, right? Click on add new and empty database right here. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna write daily review. Add icon. Add your icon like this. You can add some kind of a cover. Change cover. We can select covers. Let's just choose this one for this kind of a video, right? So yeah, something like this, right? So now this is where you're gonna put your journaling database. You can write here trades, right? And actually change its icon. It's not really cool. You can select this one, whatever you want though. I'm gonna go with this one. All right, so next, what you're gonna do, click on this icon. You're gonna select your type. So I'm gonna be selecting snap at first. Where is the snap URL? Yeah. And then you're gonna select it again and look for date right here. You got the date, you can drag and drop it to here and whatever. So like select it again, and then you can choose text property and you can name it post trade reflection, right? You can choose it again and choose text again and give it a name of daily review. Choose again and give it a text number, text property of profit and loss, just like this. Then choose it again and then choose the number property, and then you're gonna write the name execution like this. then you can choose it again, and the number property, then it goes emotional control. This is the important point, so y'all should not miss it though. And the last one, trade quality. You're gonna rate these execution and discipline and emotional control and trade quality and in the form of rating, right, like from 1 to 10, right? So now you can scroll back, and then you're gonna choose the last property, which is gonna be our formula, this, and you can name it total score, right? Then you're gonna go to the edit formula and paste this formula over here. So I'm actually gonna leave this formula in the description. Y'all can copy paste it through it and throw it over here, right? So maybe y'all can get some kind of uh just like this. Look, we have this symbol over here, right? And we don't have and. So yeah, y'all gonna put this and I think emotional control. So you're gonna look for these minor problems and actually, so this is the exact formula that you're gonna have to put it over here, right? And click on save, and there you go. So I think our daily review has been completed, right? So what you actually gonna do, let me give you a bit of tutorial. You're gonna press over here, you're gonna name the session just like you took a London session trade. Write it over here and then click over here and choose your date. What was your date where you actually took it? For me, I'm just going to choose today's, and over here you can wait. Actually, I think this is not the right property. Go to the edit property and files and media. Sorry about that, guys. So you're gonna actually choose that one. So after that, you can choose anything from here, and then post trade reflection. What you actually gonna write there, how much confident you felt in whatever trade you took. I felt confident enough to took this trade, right? And the daily review, write the bias, write everything that market took the buy side liquidity, and then it took the short-term low, then I waited for the market to go into the premium level, and then I took the entry and it went like this. That's what you're gonna write over here, right? So on the over here you're gonna just throw your profits or losses like this, right? And then what you're gonna actually overdo here, you're gonna rate your execution and discipline in the form of 1 to 10. So let's just say you had 8 execution and discipline in this kind of a trade, which is really good, not really bad. And you're gonna rate your emotional control 9. That how confident you actually felt taking that trade, and the trade quality itself, what was the quality of the trade you actually executed, right? So you're gonna maybe write it 8, and then it's gonna give you the total score of your whole day's trade. Is it perfect, guys? Right? And the next thing you're actually gonna do, you're gonna add this plus icon and click on calendar, right? You're gonna click on calendar, and what you're gonna actually do, you're gonna write over here, this is the 28th day London session. Your first trade is gonna show over here, and you'd like to actually edit its view, right? So you're gonna go to the edit mode and go to the properties, and you want to show yourself the total score. Look, look right there, the total score has been coming 8, and you can make it profit and losses too, and that's how it's gonna show. It's so perfect, right? You don't have to pay any kind of money or something. You just have to do this, and there you go. That's how you're gonna journal your trades. And the same way you can actually make your weekly review, and let me show you that too, how you can actually make your weekly review, right? So you're gonna go back here and click on add new, click on empty database, and you can name it weekly review. Add the icon, it's gonna look better, I guess. Yes, like this, and there we go. Add some kind of a cover. Yeah, that is good. Y'all can choose it, customize it. Right, so now for the weekly reviews, you're gonna over here, right, weeks or whatever you actually like. I didn't really think about improving my weekly review, so y'all can actually put whatever you actually want to organize your journaling, right? And the next thing you're gonna put your date, and the next thing you're gonna put text, and it's gonna be profit and losses, right? That's how you can do it. And the another text, and you can write it weekly. Another property, you can simply add those the same properties we actually add in the daily reviews, which are number property. Where is the number property? Oh my god, here, over here, number property, and execution and discipline. Write it again. So that's how you're gonna build your journaling on the weekly time frame, right? And the last formula property, yeah, sorry about that. Total score just like this, and let me give you the formula of this one. Put the same formula over here, right? Which I think you guys really will get this kind of errors. Look, we don't have this sign, right? We don't have the hashtag like this. No. Yeah, just like this. So that's how you're gonna do it, right? So let me tell you how you're gonna name it. You can write over here my first week date. You can say that the Mondays over here, this is the first date, and click on this end date, click on your ending date, and your ending date is gonna be the Friday, right? After Friday market closes. Or if you are a crypto trader, you can set it to Sunday or Saturday, whenever your week closes, right? So look, from Monday to Friday like this, and you can say that I made $100 in whole this week. Week went really good. I followed my rules just like this, and you can actually put all of your trades total scores, average. You're gonna put it over here. Let's just say on the weekly time frame you had your execution and discipline hour 7. Oh my god, not 77, 7, like this. Trade qualities, you can say 8, and emotional control, you can say that 6. Y'all should actually go to the edit property, make it a bar, and make it a control. right? So this is giving you the average total score, which is 7 of your whole week. So now you can add the calendar over here. This is how it's gonna look like, and you can go to the properties and you can show the profit and losses and the total score. So this is how your week's gonna look like. Look, from Monday 21 to Friday 25. That's how you do it, right? So it is actually really helpful, especially the total score things, to build your common things in your journaling, to point it out. And I hope you guys find this video insightful and was really good trading journaling idea. And if y'all really liked it, give me a sub. And if you guys have any kind of questions or some comments, leave down in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.